Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll begin by securing your data and removing the beta profile. First, back up your iPhone to iCloud or via Finder. This preserves settings and apps. Next, go to Settings General VPN and Device Management and delete the iOS beta profile so the device stops receiving beta updates. Make sure your Mac or PC has the latest Finder/iTunes and keep a lightning cable handy. Once done, power off the phone and connect to your computer to begin the restore process. Once connected, put the iPhone 13 into recovery mode. Press and quickly release volume up, press and quickly release volume down, then press and hold the side button until recovery mode appears. In Finder or iTunes, you'll see an option to restore. Choose Restore, not Update, to remove the beta and install the latest public iOS. The computer will download firmware. This can take time, so keep the cable connected and prevent sleep. When the restore completes, the device will reboot to factory iOS. After the restore, follow on-screen steps to set up the iPhone. You can restore your backup from iCloud or Finder, or start fresh. Sign into your Apple ID, re-enable Face ID/Touch ID, and check iCloud Sync to confirm everything returned. If the phone still shows beta behavior or won't activate, try entering DFU mode and repeating the restore, or switch to another computer and a different lightning cable. These fixes resolve communication and firmware issues in most cases.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.